Hey, have you heard of LVM Striping in CentOS 9?
Yes, I have. It's a powerful feature that enhances performance and optimizes disk utilization.
That's right! Did you know that LVM Striping allows data to be written across multiple disks, reducing constant writes to a single disk?
Yes, and it results in improved disk performance and optimized storage space.
Exactly. LVM Striping splits data across all disks, enhancing efficiency. Do you want to learn how to set it up?
Sure, let's dive into the setup process step by step.
Great! We'll create partitions, physical volumes, and a volume group named VG_strip. Then, we'll create logical volumes LV_Techman_strp1 and LV_Techman_strp2 to witness striping in action. Follow along!
Verification is key. We'll use commands like display and setup to confirm stripe creation and check the stripe size. This ensures our logical volumes are correctly configured with striping.
Customization is at our fingertips. We'll create LV_Techman_strp2 with a customized stripe size of 256 kilobytes, demonstrating flexibility in your setup.
Let's delve into the device mapper using setup. This low-level tool reveals dependencies of logical volumes on specific drives. Gain insights into how striping is distributed across your disks.
Congratulations! You've mastered managing multiple disks using LVM striping in CentOS 9. Stay tuned for our next tutorial, where we'll explore logical volume migration. Don't forget to comment with your thoughts and questions.